Today, I'm going to show you changing out the bungees on a Bellicon rebounder. So if you don't know the backstory here, I got this Bellicon rebounder in like new condition. And I bought that off of Craigslist. So somebody about an hour from me was selling theirs and I pounced. Like pounced is an accurate word because I knew that so many of you have been in the comments telling me about how much you enjoy your Bellicon, what great quality it is. I knew it had adjustable bungees that you could get a different support systems for different weight ranges. And so I really liked that. And I wanted to be able to test out the high end quality of a Bellicon rebounder amongst all the other rebounders that I had. So I jumped at the opportunity and I went and I bought one. All that said and done, I did have to order new bungees because when she ordered hers brand new, she ordered it for less weight. I needed more support. When I brought it home and I tested it out the way that she had it was too soft, like extremely. I was sinking. It was so soft. So I definitely needed more support. And so I've ordered in that same day, I ordered new bungees, but because they're shipping from Germany all the way to the US, it took over 2.5 weeks for me to receive my bungees. They came in mail last night. And so I'm changing them out today. And I'm going to show you what that looks like, how simple it is to change these out. Now, it was a little tight on my hands just because the tension is so tight, but the process of doing it is simple and can be done by hand, no tools required. So let me take you behind the scenes, show you the process of changing out the bungees. I'll tell you a little bit more about it and what I did with that. And you just keep gentle bouncing as we go.
When you go to buy a rebounder used, you have to be willing to accept it as is, in the condition that it is, with the circumstances that it has, for example. So you want to look for good durability, good quality. You want to look for limited use. Look for somebody who bought it, had high hopes, got busy, never used it. Look for somebody who bought it and now is in need of money and is looking to sell it and flip it because they really weren't using it very much. They're not deeply attached to it. Look for somebody who bought it and is moving. There's so many different reasons that people are selling the rebounders, and it has nothing to do with the quality of the rebounder. It has nothing to do with how good of condition the rebounder is in. It just has to do with their life circumstances no longer align with keeping that rebounder, so they're willing to sell it. So I bought my second used rebounder. The only problem that I had buying this rebounder is that the bungees that she had purchased were for a different weight than the weight that I needed. So when I got it and it was full of all these red bungees, I would go to bounce on it and it was extremely soft. Like it was not supporting me at all. And so I knew I needed to order new bungees. And so I did. That very afternoon that I brought home my rebounder, I went on to the Bellicon website and ordered all of these, actually, and this one, all in their, I think it's called ultra strong mode, so that it would be the support that I needed to filter in through here. This is a Bellicon bungee that is in the ultra strong for my weight. There's me giving full force. Okay. You saw how much I'm able to move it, which means I'm going to have a stronger bounce coming up. And for comparison, here's the red one that came. This is a Bellicon bungee, and it's the red one that came on here initially. You can see I can stretch this one pretty good. So this one is not quite the strength that this one is. And so you can see the difference here and what I am going to upgrade from to upgrade to, and see what tension this gets me to and how comfortable I am. And what else might need to be adjusted and modified. That's what I do like about it, is that you can adjust it to your preferences, to your needs, based on the bungee strength that you're using. Okay. So I think that's pretty cool because it's a completely variable bounce dependent on the different bungee strength that you buy. And they have multiple different strength levels. The other thing is, if you can see here where my cat is, thank you. Thank you for being the demonstrator. Is it's really easy to hook these in their system for how they have it set up. So it just goes around on one side of the clip and comes around to the other. Okay, stop. Put your claws away. Okay, so let's put the red one back in place. No, everybody.
You guys are just all up in my business right now. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Can I see? Can I see? Ow! Put your claws. Thank you. No, no. Okay, so I'm gonna put in one of the white ones here. Okay, can you move, please, so they can see? Can you move, please? Go sit back. Sit back. Scoot. Thank you. Scoot. So it's just an easy hook it underneath. Do not come out in here and attack me. No, no. Put your claws away. Oh, and this one is so much harder to stretch because it's so much stronger. But there, I got it in. Okay, so I got one of the white and one of the red right there. Stop! It's almost walk time. And so he's not leaving me alone. And I don't know what the cat is doing. They just have to have all the attention because I'm over here doing something that doesn't involve them. Okay, let's get, okay, excuse me, excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. No, see what? Stop. Can you sit down, please? It's not time yet. You stop scratching me. Okay. Oh my, that is so strong. Okay. No, no. Okay, so you're getting the idea for how this is working. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I will show you when I'm done how it is working on my bounce. Okay, I'm zoomed in now just so you can take a look at my feet and the bouncing. I can feel it. The tension now is tighter. I am enjoying this bounce. I thought it was good already, but I would say it's definitely better now. I can feel how it's a better support for my body. I'm trying to light foot it on one side, together, then she'll bounce. And it just has a nice cushiony feel to it. It is supportive, yet tender. I will say that because there's another one, another rebounder that I have, a different brand, and it holds me, but in a very firm way that I do limited range of motion on it because it's more jarring to my joints. I can do everything that I want to do over here, and I have the cushion that I need. Now, some people get really comfortable on a firmer trampoline, and then I've read reviews that they say this is too cushy. But I like this. This is plenty. This is great support for me while still giving me the spring back that I need in my bounce. I hope that you can see that as I'm demonstrating. And now I have a very colorful rebounder too. I like that. I'm just sharing because I really love the Bellicon rebounder. I understand why people are willing to make the investment in it. I wanted to test it because I'm testing so many different rebounders. I didn't know what to expect. So I don't have an affiliate link to share with you. I'm just sharing because I want you to know. I want you to be able to compare this to other ones that I demonstrate and show. And we've had multiple people jumping in the comments and saying how much they love their Peloton and the fact that the bungees are adjustable, let you find just the perfect tension for your body because you can mix and match, which, you've seen me do. So, anyhow, so find what works for you. That's the point of all of this is that you find the bounce that you are comfortable with. Because if you're not comfortable, you're not going to keep showing up. I mean, plain and simple. If you don't enjoy the activity, if you're not comfortable with it, if it's hurting your body or you're overdoing it during different rounds, you're going to stop. And so we want to make sure that you understand what you can get out of your rebounder, how you choose it and what elements matter to your body. So, as I made a commitment to you a couple weeks ago in one of my videos, I'm going to continue to let you in on knowing about different rebounders, testing and comparing them, showing you the different models. Because at this point, I'm showing you what a particular model looks like for somebody who's in the high 200s. But as that weight continues to come off, because you know it will, that's why I'm showing up, that's why I'm doing the work. It is happening. And so as my body changes, you're even going to get to see how my experience with each rebounder changes and the different feels that I start to experience. Um, yeah, with less weight that I'm carrying around. So we will continue to test that. Thanks so much for going on this journey with me. Happy bouncing, friend, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.